What if I told you that financial freedom does not begin with a higher salary, a lucky investment, or a secret side hustle? What if the real starting point is something much simpler and much harder? It's self-discipline. Because the truth is, money does not automatically solve money problems. If that were true, every high-income earner would be financially free. But that's not what we see. Some people earn more and still feel trapped. More stress, more debt, more pressure. Why? Because without discipline, more money often just means more spending. Financial freedom is not just about how much you make, it's about what you do with what you make. It's about controlling your choices before your choices start controlling you. And that's where everything changes. A lot of people believe, once I make more money, everything will be fine. But that belief can be dangerous, because if you cannot manage a little, you will probably struggle to manage a lot. Let's say someone gets paid on Friday. They feel rich for a moment, so they order food, buy things they do not need, upgrade things that were already working, and tell themselves, I deserve it. By Monday, the feeling is gone, but the habit remains. This is how financial stress grows quietly, not always through one huge mistake, but through many small, undisciplined decisions repeated over time. A coffee here, an impulse buy there, another subscription, another excuse, and slowly the person is no longer spending with intention, they're spending with emotion. That's the trap. Because freedom is not built by reacting to every urge, it is built by learning how to pause, think, and choose wisely. And once you understand that, the next question becomes simple. What does self-discipline actually look like in real life? Self-discipline is not punishment. It is not about making life miserable, and it is definitely not about saying no to everything forever. Self-discipline means telling yourself, not now, so I can have more later. It means you stop asking, can I buy this, and start asking, should I buy this? That small shift changes everything. Discipline is choosing a budget even when no one is watching, saving money before spending it, avoiding debt when you're tempted by convenience, sticking to a plan when emotions try to pull you away. And yes, sometimes it feels boring, but boring habits often create extraordinary results. Because while other people are chasing short-term pleasure, disciplined people are building long-term peace. And the best part, you do not need perfect discipline, you just need consistent discipline. Financial freedom usually does not arrive in one dramatic moment. It grows through small habits repeated again and again. Making a budget, tracking expenses, saving a little every month, paying bills on time, avoiding purchases made just to impress people, learning to wait before buying something emotional. These actions may seem small, but small actions shape your future. Think of self-discipline like planting seeds. At first, nothing exciting seems to happen. You save a little, spend less, stay patient, and it feels slow. But over time, those habits turn into stability. Stability turns into confidence. Confidence turns into options. And options are a huge part of what financial freedom really is. Freedom means you can breathe. Freedom means one emergency does not destroy you. Freedom means money becomes a tool, not a source of fear. But life is not always smooth, and that's exactly why discipline matters even more. Anyone can feel confident when everything is going well. The real test comes when life gets expensive, stressful, or uncertain. An unexpected bill, a job setback, a broken car, a slow month, a family emergency. In those moments, discipline becomes protection. If you have built the habit of saving, you are less likely to panic. If you have learned to live below your means, you have room to breathe. If you have trained yourself to stay calm and think clearly, you make better decisions under pressure. That's what discipline gives you. Not just money in the bank, but peace in the mind. And that peace is powerful. Because financial freedom isn't only about reaching a number, it's about becoming the kind of person who can handle money wisely, steadily, and confidently. So in the end, the path to freedom is not flashy, but it is real. Here's the truth. Financial freedom starts long before the big bank account. It starts in the quiet moments, the moments when no one is clapping, the moments when you choose discipline over impulse, patience over pressure, purpose over pleasure. Because every time you control a small decision, you strengthen your future. And one day, what felt like sacrifice will feel like freedom. So if you want financial freedom, don't begin by asking, how can I get more money? Start by asking, can I trust myself with the money I already have? That's the real beginning. Master your habits, master your choices, master yourself. And when you do that, you won't just change your finances, you'll change your life. Financial freedom doesn't start in your wallet, it starts in your discipline. Build your wealth. Subscribe for advanced market strategies.